We're in the kitchen with Ginger, so honey, what is the plan?
Today we'll be making a classic New England clam chowder. We have Pismo clams that we caught earlier in the year, and this recipe is the perfect way to use them.
What is the first step, Ginger?
Well, I have chopped up 4 strips of bacon, and I am going to render the fat off of it. Okay, so our bacon has some color on it, the fat's been rendered, and I'm going to strain out the bacon and set it aside and add it to the soup a little later. This is a whole onion that's been chopped, and we're going to sauté it in the rendered bacon fat. So our onions have gotten soft, and now I'm ready to add 2 tablespoons of flour. This flour will help to thicken the soup. So our onions have been cooking for about maybe 2 minutes or so, and I am ready to add in 3 cups of clam juice.
What's the next step, Ginger?
I am ready to add in a diced potato. And we're going to cook this until the potatoes are tender. I will be adding 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme. And the remaining bacon that we set aside from earlier.
Looks good.
So this will simmer until the potatoes are tender, and then we'll be ready to add in our cream and clams. So our soup has been simmering for 10 minutes and the potatoes are tender. And you can see that it pokes easily with this skewer. And now I'm ready to add 1 cup of half and half. Here's my half and half, 1 cup. So the cream has been added and heated through, and now I'm adding 1 cup of chopped clams. And it goes right in. I'm turning off the heat, and the clams will cook with the residual heat. So I did not need to add any additional salt to this because the clams and the clam juice was pretty salty already. So we're all ready to serve. And here is my version of New England clam chowder with our Pismo Beach clam.